In this video, you'll learn how to connect Mailchimp to Google Analytics. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully linked these two powerful tools to enhance your marketing insights. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your web browser and enter the URL for Mailchimp. Once the page loads, ensure you are on the correct site, which should feature a dashboard displaying your recent campaigns and audience statistics. Next, locate the integrations option in the left-hand menu. This section allows you to manage various third-party connections. After clicking on integrations, you'll see a list of available integrations. Look for a search bar or an option that prompts you to find specific integrations. Type Google Analytics into the search bar and press enter. As you do this, the interface will filter the results to show relevant integrations. Once the results appear, identify the Google Analytics integration from the list provided. After that, click on the Google Analytics option. We'll redirect you to the integration settings for Google Analytics, where you will find detailed information about the connection process. At this stage, ensure you have your Google Analytics account credentials ready for the next steps. Now, click on the Connect button to initiate the linking process. Upon clicking this button, the system will prompt you to authenticate your Google account. Make sure to use the account associated with your Google Analytics data. Once prompted, click on the highlight option to select the appropriate Google account. The interface will display a list of available accounts. Choose the account you want to connect and click Connect again to proceed. Then, if necessary, you may be required to click on the option labeled Shangri-La. A similar identifier that corresponds to your Google account. This step is crucial as it allows Mailchimp to access your Google Analytics data. Following this, click on the Continue button to confirm your selection. The system will process this request, and you should see a loading indicator while your request is being processed. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Finally, you will reach a consent summary page. Review the permissions being requested, then click on the final Continue button to complete the integration. Once this action is taken, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that Mailchimp is now successfully connected to Google Analytics. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.